Hello children. Today I Kahaniwali Nani am going to tell you a story of two parrots, Chitu and Neetu. The story is based on a Panchatantra tale and the story is the good parrot and the bad parrot. Listen children. This is a story of long ago. Many animals and birds lived in the oaks forest. Hunters from the nearby villages would often come to the oaks forest. Why? To catch birds and animals. In this oak forest, a pair of parrots built a nest on a banyan tree. Early morning, they would fly in search of food. One day, a parrot laid two eggs. Both the parrots were very happy. Why? Because they would soon become mama and papa of two small chicks. In due time, two little chicks came out of the eggs. Mama and Papa parrots named them Chitu and Neetu. Now, Papa parrot would fly in search of food all alone, while Mama parrot would take care of Chitu and Neetu. They would feed them and protect them from any danger. After a few weeks, Chitu and Neetu grew up and were able to fly, but they could fly only for small distances. One of the baby parrot, Chitu, said, Mama, see, now we can fly. We have grown big. I think we can take care of ourselves. Seeing them flying, Mama parrot became happy. She said, Yes, I am happy to see you both, Chitu and Neetu, begin to fly. But yet you are small. You can fly for small distances only. But I know soon you will be able to fly far off to the village. Papa Parrot said, Fine, but take care. Lot of hunters come to catch the birds, so be careful not to be trapped by them. We will fetch you food for some more time till your feathers are strong enough to let you fly for long distances. In the meantime, play nearby and do not go far away. Yes, Papa, Mama, both the parrots, Chitu and Neetu said. Don't worry, we can very well take care of ourselves. Every day when Mama parrot and Papa parrot would go in search of food, in the morning they would caution both Chitu and Neetu about hunters. One day, as usual, Mama and Papa parrots went in search of food. Now who were left in the nest? Chitu and Neetu. They were busy playing, flying here and there. Just then Chitu saw some pieces of guavas lying on the ground. Chitu shouted, Neetu, see, some pieces of guava are lying here. Come, both of us will eat them. Guava is our favorite food. And yes, Neetu said, my mouth has started watering in seeing them. Come, I cannot wait any longer. And both Chitu and Neetu flew down towards the pieces of guava. Both started eating them. Just then, as they were busy eating the guavas, relishing its taste, what happened? Two hands caught them. At once, Chitu and Neetu stopped eating and they looked around. They were caught in the hands of a hunter. Chitu and Neetu tried hard to free themselves, but the hunter, he quickly put them in a cage and locked it. Now Chitu and Neetu realized that the guavas were put by the hunter to trap them. The hunter carried them to the village. Both Chitu and Neetu were very unhappy. While walking, the hunter stepped on a stone and he fell down. And the cage also fell down from his hands. Its door opened. Chitu flew away, But before Neetu could escape, the hunter quickly shut the door of the cage. It was getting dark, and Cheetu, instead of flying towards the forest, he flew towards a village and sat on a tree. He was panting. And you know, children, this tree was in a Gurukul. The hunter, he came home. He told his wife and children, "See, today I caught two parrots, but one of them flew away. Never mind, at least one of them is here." And he handed the cage to his children. His children were happy to see a parrot. They played with the parrot, fed him with chilies and guavas. One day, the children said, "Dad, our parrot has learned to say a few words." Now, under the tree on which Cheetu landed, the teachers of the Gurukul would preach, they would chant shlokas, they would say good things to the children and teach them good things. One day, a traveler, Sohan, came to the village. He was tired and decided to rest for a while. He was hungry also. And you know where did he sit? He sat outside the hunter's house. Neetu was there in the cage, and when he saw Sohan, he spoke. "Fool, why have you come here? Go, run away. I will thrash you, kill you." Seeing the parrot speaking those words, Sohan got scared and he felt bad. "Oh, I'd better leave. What bad words this parrot is speaking." He walked for some time, and where did he reach? Yes, he reached the Gurukul and he sat under a tree. And who was sitting on the tree? Cheetu the parrot. Sohan looked around and saw Cheetu. "Oh, another parrot here. I'd better leave before it speaks." Just as he got up, Cheetu spoke. "Hello, welcome, welcome. Come, have some fruits, have some fruits." Hearing this, Sohan was surprised. He said, "Oh, this parrot speaks so nice, so good." And he said to Cheetu, "I just met another parrot in the village. He was very rude and spoke badly. Your words are kind and gentle. How strange! You both are parrots, but your behavior is very different from the other one. You are so soft spoken, while the other one is harsh and rude." Hearing this, Cheetu smiled and said, "Yes, I guess you have met none other than my brother Neetu. Actually, he was taken away by a cruel hunter, and in the company of the hunter, he has learned the language of the hunter. And I am always in the company of the preachers, the teachers, who are kind and generous, and I have learned their language. Actually, our behavior becomes according to the company we keep. Good company helps us to learn good things, and bad company helps us to learn bad things." Sohan said, "Right, absolutely right. Today you have taught me a very good lesson. Thanks a lot, dear parrot." And he continued on his way. So, children, always keep good company, that is, make good friends. If you want to be a good person, if you have a bad friend, then although you are a good person, you will soon adopt their bad habits and become a bad person. So, children, how did you like this story? The good parrot and the bad parrot? And to hear more such interesting stories, subscribe to my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/Kahaniwali Nani. And do not forget to press the bell button so that you never miss a new story from me. If you like the story, press the like button and send your comments too. You can also share the story with your friends by clicking on the share icon. And we'll meet you again next week with a new story. Till then, goodbye. Take care.